Hello students, so in this video I am going to solve exercise 11.1 of class 9th NCERT book. Okay, so this is the question number 1. The question is diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Okay, so first of all let's draw a cone. Okay, so this is the cone, and the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter, means the diameter is given. Diameter is what? Diameter is 10.5 centimeter. This is 10.5 centimeter. Then radius will be half of diameter, means 10.5 divided by 2 will be equal to 5.25. Now the slant height is given 10 centimeter. Slant height means this is slant height, this is 10 centimeter given. Now we need to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area, we need to find this area. So let's see how will I find. So now the formula of curved surface area of cone pi RL. So pi is equal to 22 by 7. R is given 5.25. We can write 525 divided by 100 into L is given. This is 10 centimeter. Okay, now just solve this. 0 0 cut 7 7 8 7 7 is 49 and 5 is 35. Okay, now 5 2 is 10, 5 15 is 75, 2 11 is 22, 11 into 15, 11 5 is 55, 5 and 11 1 is 11 and 5 6 165 centimeter square will be the answer. Alright students, thank you so much for watching this video, and for this kind of content you can subscribe this channel.